What is the difference between an anatomical and a functional impairment rating in a Mississippi workers' comp case? Hi, I'm Kevin Runlett with the Runlett Law Firm. We focus on representing injured workers in the state of Mississippi. We put out these videos to just help people understand the process because it's a little bit different. So when I say technical terms like anatomical impairment rating and a functional impairment rating, what do I mean? In a workers' comp case, there's an injury. You should receive treatment, you should receive benefits while you're unable to work. Eventually the doctor is going to say, okay, you've reached maximum medical improvement. This is about as good as I think you're going to get with the treatment that we're providing. I don't know that there's anything else we can do. So now let's analyze your situation and let me give you an impairment rating. The impairment rating directly relates to the settlement value. So it's important that it's done accurately. The laws in workers' comp allow us some leeway for argument because what that doctor is going to tell you is an anatomical or a book impairment rating. That doctor is going to look into what's called the AMA guides. He's going to try to fit your situation into a particular section of the book that relates to that type of injury, and he's going to use that to come up with a general percentage impairment rating. So you can imagine if you have, let's say, a knee injury. You injured your knee on the job. You're a worker that has to go up and down, kneel, squat, constantly on your feet. You're not just sitting behind a desk. You're out moving around, and your knee greatly impacts that ability. Well, the doctor is going to give you a basic anatomical book-related impairment rating. Let's say it's 10% to your knee, which means you're only 10% disabled. You should be able to go back to work. There may be some pain. That's one side of the coin. How do we get you more in a settlement in a situation like that? Well, there's a doctrine called loss of industrial use, which is different from that book-related value for your impairment rating. It means, well, what can John Smith do and not do now because of that injury? Can he do the normal duties of his job, really? If not, then we can increase that impairment rating to increase the settlement value if we can prove you can't do the job. Even though the doctor says you're 5 or 10% related, really you're 30 or 40% disabled because you can't do your job like you did before. So I hope this helps in understanding some of the terminology in comp. If you have questions, feel free to leave them below. Send us an email, call us. We're happy to hear your story. If you like these videos, please hit that subscribe button and you'll get notifications when new ones come out. Hope you have a great day and thanks for watching.